Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, let's do an updated review on the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. And also, I wanted to share with you how I keep it organized inside and the things that I keep inside of this bag as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So this one is the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. I've had it since December 2019, and I was thinking about either getting this size or the BB size, but I'm really glad I went with this size because even though this one is mini, I feel like this one is quite spacious, and this one also fits inside of my carry-on bag, like luggage, perfectly, and also like my personal items as well. And this one, it's not too big, but again, very spacious. There is vachetta on top, and I think it looks just fine. It's aging just how it's supposed to. There's vachetta here on the top as well, which also still looks really good. I also keep this on or in the bathroom, and yeah, it looks really good, especially like the bottom. I feel like this can come off if I just like wipe it off, but yeah. Who's really looking at the bottom of my Nice Mini? But yeah, so I love the double zip. I'm glad there's two zippers, two zipper pulls, because I like how you can open it from both sides. So as you can see, it does keep quite a few things. I have a Samorga bag organizer inside of mine. I think this is this color beige or nude. I don't know. I'll go ahead and put the correct color over here, but I think it's a pretty good match, as you can see here. And I think having an organizer in here is just very important, just because if like your makeup spills for any reason, you're getting the organizer dirty instead of the product or piece itself. So yeah, I'll show you when I'm all done here what it kind of looks like. But my Nice Mini is looking really good for how long I've had it, and I'm in and out of this thing pretty much every single day. So yeah, as you can see, I kind of fill it up to the brim, and some of the products that I have actually kind of stand up as well. But yeah, not everything needs to be like inside, but I think it does need to be kind of filled up just like this, especially when you're traveling, so that when it kind of gets jumbled up in here, nothing kind of moves. So first I have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This one is pretty new, and I have been enjoying it so far. I kind of wish I had the travel size of that, but I can get it later. So next I have Merit's Blush Balm. This one is in the color Beverly Hills. I love this for my no makeup days. This one was a gifted product. It's the Milk, what is this? The Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. This one was actually gifted, and I'm a huge fan of this one. I think I need to go buy it because I'm running low on it. So I have this e.l.f. liquid liner. Not the best, but I want to just use it because I have it. I have concealer. So what's going on with my autofocus right now? I have the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the matte finish. I really love this one. Another concealer, I have the Dior Backstage Flash Perfection Concealer. It looks like this. I have it in the shade 4W, but I wish I kind of got something a little bit lighter to kind of like highlight the area, but I could get that next time. This one is staple. This one is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Biscuit. One of my favorites I've had for a very long time. And this one is my current foundation. It's the Dior Forever Skin Perfector in the shade 4W. This one is really great. I have combination skin, so I really just love using this one, and it really does last all day, and I don't get really oily by the end of the day. So I'm a huge fan of this one. Let's see. For the last part up top, I guess I have a travel size at the Brev. This one is like my favorite perfume. I carry around this sample size because I don't want to carry around the large one with me all the time. So yeah. Next I have this travel sized Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I do have a full size of this one, but I do just fill this one up on occasion because I don't want to be carrying around the full size. I have been using this like translucent padding for forever, and just love it so much. I don't really want to venture out and try anything else. Next, I have the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I really love this one. As you can see, I do have a couple of favorites. I usually use these ones on my cheeks, this one to like highlight like my brow bone and high points on my face. And then this one I don't really use. I should start using it though, but yeah, this palette is so pretty and I'm really glad that I end up buying this one. Next we have the Dior, what is this? The Face and Body Powder No Powder. I actually got this one in a little bit of a darker shade so that I can contour my face. But yeah, I really love this one because I can really build this one up and not get muddy, and it's really so good. Very natural looking. Next I have this really small e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. It's called the Bite Size Eyeshadow I Love You a Latte, and I really like this one because it gives you like a really natural kind of like smoky eye. I really gravitate towards like these colors, and then this one for like the crease, as you can see here. You can see like there's parts where I kind of like stabbed it because sometimes I don't have the easiest time like opening this. But yeah, I really like this one, but I am looking at getting the Dior eyeshadow palette in warm neutral. I'm just waiting for the perfect promo code to add because yeah, I want my freebies. Next I have the Dior, what is this? The Dior Backstage Rosy Glow. I really do love this blush. As you can see, I have used it quite often and I really just love how it gives me a really nice glow. This one is the blush that I was using before. It's the NARS blush in the color Amour. I really love this one because it gives me a nice glow and you really don't need too much of this. But yeah, it's a stunning shade and I've been using this one for the longest time until I got this one. Next I have, let's see, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. I like this when I do like my no makeup days. And I also have another one too. Let me just get my other brow stuff here. This one is the Dior Onset Brow, and this one's also in the color Clear, I believe. And these ones are perfect for, again, no makeup days. I also have the Dior eyelash curler. To be honest, it's just an eyelash curler. I don't see anything very special about it other than that it does say Dior. It's really cute though. I feel really great using it, but does it keep my eyelashes curled for like the longest time? Not really. It's just really cute. Next I have the Makeup by Mario, let's see, the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. Is that what it says? And I have it in the color Medium Dark. I actually really love this. It's so easy to blend out. Before this one I was using the NYX Cosmetic like the bronzer stick, but this one is just so much better and I like the color also. And it also has a brush here. I did not know that until I pulled it the wrong way one day and thought I broke it, but found like a really nice surprise. This is such a great product. It is really big though, takes up a lot of space in here, but really happy to have it and use it. Next I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown. I don't care what anyone says, I still love using this product and it's just so good for brows. Another one of my favorites is this Dior lipstick. It's the Rouge Dior 200 in Nude Touch Velvet. This one is such a stunning color. It's, I think, a warm nude, so I think that's why it looks really great on me. I have a couple of videos on my TikTok wearing it, but yeah, this one is so good and it lasts all day. It also feels really, really good on the lips. Next up, I have the Maybelline New York Sky High Mascara. I love this one, and I think I need a new one. I'm running low on this one. Next, I have this Dior Show Pump and Volume HD Small Mascara. I think this one was a sample from Dior Beauty, and I actually really like it. I can't find myself to buy like a full-size Dior mascara just because they have like so many good samples. I don't think I could ever buy one, but I probably will when I'm desperate. Okay, lastly, let's see. I have this. It's the NYX Professional Makeup 2-in-1 liner and lash adhesive. So I used to have the lashes that go with this, but I don't use them anymore. I don't think it really worked like the best as like a lash adhesive, but I really do like this one because it really is a nice deep black. So I really liked using it just separate from the lashes. Almost done. I have the Wow Brow from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I love this one for like my no makeup days. If I'm not using these two, then I'm probably using this when I want like deeper looking brows. And then the last two are just my extra lip liners. So this one is from MAC. It's called Cork. I love this one, and pairing it with the Dior lipstick over there. And another one of my favorites is the NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this one is in the color Cold Brew. And there we have it. That's everything that's inside of my Nice Mini. So as you can see, it does fit quite a lot of stuff. But the best part is, oh, and I also have some panty liners in here too that I keep in the back. But as you can see, the bag organizer really keeps the inside of the Nice Mini clean. I guess I can like kind of like wipe it down, but I don't. And then here's what it looks like on the inside without the organizer. It still looks really good because I don't really have anything touch. But yeah, there's a pocket in here if you want to use it, but I don't really use it. I mean, I definitely recommend using a bag organizer. This one is from Samorga. This middle part does come out in case you just want to like dump your makeup inside. But I really love having it with the little divider inside because I feel like everything kind of just fits so perfectly inside. And again, it fits quite a lot. So let me quickly just put everything back in so you can see it one more time with all of the stuff. I think that's how I had it. I don't remember, but that's okay. I feel like, was it like that? I don't know. Not sure. But regardless, everything still fits. I think this was over here. Okay. Anyways. Yep, everything still fits and fits really nicely inside of the Nice Mini. If you're wondering about like my makeup brushes, I use this one from Amazon. I really love it because it's really compact and I love that it can stand up when it's being used. Don't mind my makeup brushes, they're super dirty, but yeah, really convenient because like I can just open this up when I'm on the go traveling, and then when I'm all done with it, just quickly zip it back up. And yeah, really compact, and these are my two just kind of staples for my makeup when I'm traveling. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions about my Louis Vuitton Nice Mini, or if you have any questions about like the products that I shared inside. Happy to help if I can. Thank you so much for watching my video again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!